Hey guys, welcome back to Burnt and Delicious. In this video we are going to make air fryer oat cookies.
Hands up for tonight again, even in another lifetime, baby, and let's do tonight.
They are crunchy outside and soft inside. I didn't even expect that they're gonna be so good. I highly recommend this recipe. Thank you guys for watching Burnt and Delicious. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave your comment below and hit the like button. Your support means a lot. See you on the next one.